Then all we're going to do is we're going to whisk up our yolks. And then you're going to want to temper your eggs, so you're just going to take some of the warm mixture, add a little bit in. You're doing this so that you don't end up with scrambled eggs. So you just want to add a little bit at a time until your eggs get to a little bit warmer temperature. And once you can tell that they're warm, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your egg yolks and you're going to whisk them into your milk mixture.